I did this hairstyle a couple of weeks back, and now I am able to edit it and post it for you guys. So this wig is from Her Giving Hair. So this is their half wig, and this is their kinky kinking coils half wig, if I'm not mistaken. I am going to have the link to this hair in the description bar on YouTube. Why on TikTok and Instagram, just check my link tree. The link to this hair is on my link tree, okay, which is the link on my bio. So let's get into the installation. All I did was to braid half of my hair. As you can tell, I already sectioned my hair in two. So I went ahead and braid the front parts tiny. I think there is a name for this hairstyle because it's actually trending now. Okay, so that is the hairstyle I'm trying to recreate with this wig, or rather unit, from Her Giving Hair. Mind you, I've had this hair for more than a year. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the installation. With the front braids, all I did is, after sectioning, I added braiding gel, which is the Shine and Jam gel. That's what I've been braiding with for a while now. And I added braiding hair. This is the caniculum braiding hair. I think I added just 2 strands to the braid. That is to make it tight, and also to to make it tight basically. So that's it, and that's basically how I continued braiding. Trust me, braiding this hair by myself, with this kind of sectioning, wasn't easy, but I'm glad I was able to pull through. So this is how far I've come. I'm almost done with the front part of the hair, and I just continued repeating the same process. So I added okay, I think on this part I actually added one, this very one. Yeah, I did, because the the length of the section was a bit short, so that's why. Yeah, I don't know where my edges are disappearing to. I don't know. Take a look at that braid. It looks really nice in my opinion. I think so. So I think at this point I have just like, one braid left. When I was done, I had this sign of relief, because it is not easy. It is not easy to cornrow your hair, especially when you're trying to create styles and all of that. So I'm done with cornrows, or rather I'm done braiding the front part of the hair. So now I'm just going to attach the front part of the hair to the back side. So I just did like big braids on the back, because it's going to be covered up, you would not say. So it only makes sense that it is big if that explanation is needed. So I continued with the bigger cornrow. What I did was to attach the front part of the braid to the the back cornrow and just braid through basically. So the ends, as I braid, I joined the ends together, so I have this one sequence. Hi Jesus, I don't know what I'm talking of, but anyways, I went ahead and tucked the ends of the hair into the braids so it looks seamless, and this is what I have. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install this beautiful wig right here, rather unit. And after that, I just went ahead and fluff it out with my hands, my fingers. You guys are going to see that, like, I love the turnout of this look. Let me leave you guys to watch. Yeah, you guys, this is basically it, and this seems to be the not seems to, it is, you guys, it is the result. So I actually went ahead and wet this hair. Take a look at that texture, take a look at it. Can you argue this hair isn't my hair? Like, this hair isn't growing from my scalp. This is the work of her giving hair. So pretty. So like I said, if you're interested in this hair, use the link on my bio or check the link in my description on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Bye, y'all.